Hello everyone, welcome back to the ATH Crypto. Today we're talking about a very unusual crypto token called Official Trump, symbol Trump. We'll cover the current price and market data, the recent history and tokenomics, and then I'll share thoughts on what could happen in November 2025. As always, this is for education only, not a recommendation to buy. Do your own research. Let's dive in. At the time of recording, the Trump token is trading around $8 according to CoinMarketCap. Its market capitalization is about $1.67 billion with a circulating supply of roughly 200 million Trump coins. The max supply is up to 1 billion coins, meaning up to 800 million more tokens could be issued or unlocked. So, in short, high price per coin compared to many meme coins, sizable market cap, and large potential unlocked supply. This sets the stage for both opportunity and risk. Let's talk about how we got here and important technical details. 1. The token launched recently and became widely discussed as a meme coin tied to Trump's name and brand. 2. Because it is strongly tied to a political figure and brand, public sentiment, media attention and novelty play a major role in its price. That means the token isn't driven primarily by utility or traditional fundamentals, but by hype, brand value, and speculation. 3. One important point. With only 200 million of the 1 billion max supply in circulation, a large portion may be locked or reserved. That implies a significant unlock schedule risk. If many tokens are unlocked, price could be pressured. 4. Another factor, regulatory and ethical concerns. Since this token is tied to a public and political figure, scrutiny, copper coins and imposters are common. For example, hundreds of fake Trump coins emerged very quickly. 5. Price behavior. The token has seen sharp spikes and large swings. For example, early after launch it rose quickly, then pulled back heavily. So the key takeaway, Trump is very high volatility, very speculative, high risk, reward. Now let's talk about what might happen next. For November 2025. Because of its nature, we'll build 3 scenarios: bear, base, most likely, and bull. And we'll also talk about why each could happen. Bear case. Possible price range, $5 to $8. Why? If hype fades, brand news weakens, or unlocks dump large supply into market. Also if macro crypto market turns down. In this case, despite current $8 value, the token could lose 30 to 50% if big negative trigger hits. Base case, my view. Possible price range, $8 to $11. Why? Hype remains moderate, some brand or media attention continues, token stays in focus. Price holds support near existing levels, around $8 to $9, and maybe edges up if sentiment is positive. A realistic midpoint might be around $8.50 to $9.50 by end of November. Bull case. Possible price range, $11 to $14 plus. Why? Major new announcement, brand use case launch, celebrity endorsement, or major media event tied to Trump or token. If so, price could break older highs and rally on renewed attention. But this is higher risk and depends on strong catalysts. Why these ranges make sense? 1. Current price and data give baseline around $8 with large supply risk. 2. Memecoin nature often leads to sharp upside if novelty returns, but also sharp downside if attention shifts. 3. The large max supply and possible unlocks add downward pressure unless offset by strong demand or adoption. To wrap up, Time's Official Trump is a meme coin with brand and speculative value, not a traditional utility token. Times if you're watching this token, focus on media attention, brand developments, token unlock schedules, overall crypto market mood. Times because the risk is high, so is the potential reward, but also the potential for large losses. Times for November 2025. My base expectation is the token will trade in the $8 to $11 range, assuming no major negative event. Big positives could push it higher, big negatives could push it lower. Times if you hold, consider whether you're in it for the long-term speculation or short-term trade. Set stop losses, limit exposure, and stay alert. Thanks for watching ATH Crypto. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next crypto update. Comment below, what's your target for Trump by end of November 2025? See you in the next video. Thanks.